I got me fish, boys. Is the video on? Alright, first cast. Just got done casting. And got this good chub minnow. Minnow.
We're just down here at this little branch. It's just for a little fun. And we're kind of bored, so we just did this.
Alright, so there he is. And there's the release. That was really quick.
Yeah.
As soon as I threw it in, he was on it. Oh, wow, that's a big one. Oh, dude, a big one just came out. Hey. Yep. Oh, wow, this is big. So I just caught this good perch.
Bid for down here, as he meant.
If you want to, you can call them warmouth. I've heard people call them warmouth, but I call them perch.
It's a perch. Okay.
Yeah. But I have heard people call them warmouth. That was the big one that I was talking about that came up and hit my line at first. Hand size perch. Got some big, pretty orange tail lines, I guess we'll call them. And that was a really... I'll probably catch him again, to be honest.
There's my old Honda right there, son.
This is a better fishing video than it was down at the pond.
We only caught one fish down there at the pond.
Yeah,
but it was big.
Yeah, it was pretty big catfish.
But this is just out of...
Come on, boy.
We're just doing this for fun, and we're kind of bored, so we're just doing this for the heck of it.
Alright. Oh, he got off.
There's my dog, Molly.
He's wanting it. He's not taking it though.
If anyone out there likes gaming videos with GTA 5 or war games, I have a channel. I don't do a lot of outdoor stuff on mine. I actually have two channels. One of them is for gaming with the Modern Warfare 3 and Black Ops and GTA 5. That's one of my channels, and the other one, the only outdoor stuff I mainly do is like my friends boxing each other, and I got one of actually him right there, Jacob Borden, jumping in the pond that we was fishing in, and another, and just some stuff like that. No fishing or hunting videos though, but
Okay, so
still, you need to go subscribe.
grasshopper here, a hook up in his chest. That's why I think I've been missing him, because they was going for it. So we hook the grasshopper through his butt again. Maybe want to mess up and get the hook in
His bong hole.
I think I have a little late reaction there on that fish. That's pretty good fishing. I don't know. I used to come down here and go handline fishing for them. Caught a couple pretty nice fish. But the biggest fish in here is probably a 1/4 pound perch. Number 3.
Wow.
Just another little perch or bullmouth or whatever you want to call them. That was a big fish.
Either tomorrow, or it's either going to be tomorrow or next weekend. Me and him will be doing some trapping videos.
My hook.
Well, he just slid on right off.
Yeah. Well, got my hook back. I don't know how he broke my line, but I'll go ahead and throw my finger down here. That's the fish. What I got. Hey, I had to retie my hook. Where is my hook? There it is. We might make a couple night fishing videos. I don't know for sure though. Oh my God. More time.
Molly was
It took me this long just to tie that hook. Pretty hard too. Alright, oh, start fishing again. Molly's done dirtied up the street. Maybe the fish. Can't really jerk your car like you would in the farm because
all that right there.
tires and stuff. So you just have to hope that you can just reel them in and stay on. That's a pretty big job.
If we live right next to a river or lake, doing what we're doing right now would be really good because we could catch these little fish and like cut them up and use them. Yeah, use them for bigger fish. But
There you see the mouth, how it's all rounded and the lips way down here. Their bottom, they just spit off the bottom.
But the closest thing we live to is a pond, which is like not like you could. From my house, you can throw a rock off the back deck and hit the pond, or I can anyway. And then there's a creek about maybe 5 miles down the road, but there's not big fish in it.
There's big fish in it, but you can't really catch them because they're in like an extra little pond part.
And there's a lot of cottonmouths over there.
Yeah.
So, yeah. But sometimes he goes to his aunt and uncle's house, and they got a big old pond, and he catches like a lot of fish over there. But I don't never go over there, so. But
like a 2-3.5 pound bass over there. think it's last weekend. He was real good bass.
And then there's my dog. Wow. Booty.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Oh, he got off. He, she, whatever. He, she, female. I don't know.
Oh. The second time. Third time's a charm.
Wow. This phone gets hot quick. Might try to catch about 2 more fish, then end it. Come back later maybe. Because phone's kind of getting a little hot. Plus it's pretty hot outside today too. And my arm's about to fall off for me holding it up this long.
Hold it in the other hand.
Be alright.
I can feel all these little bitty minnows and stuff down here nibbling on my bait.
Sometimes he catches these little minnows and stuff and puts them in a fish tank he has at home.
Yeah, but the fish tank I have at home's got fish in it like, let's see if I can. Fish in them like this size and like the other big chub minnows that I caught.
Oh, thank you.
Did he go in the water?
Yeah, he did. Finally. After getting tossed around 3,700 times.
We had a big one here.
Oh, God.
What?
I said about a 4-pounder. Oh, he's about to catch it. It's nibbling around on it.
Actually, when you said that, I was a picture.
Oh, God. I see it circling around that hook.
Bobber. Where the bobber at? Oh my God.
That's all Molly's doing is exploring. Don't fall off.
Poor lad.
Dude, that's mean. I would too.
I actually seen that fish hit that. I know why.
Alright, at 15, we're cutting it off, y'all. 14, 30, 40. 14, 40, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, Oh, got.
At the last second.
Yep. All right. That's it. See y'all.